Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. In this video we will learn some cool tricks and tips for copy and paste. You will be amazed with these features and tricks. So watch this video completely and let's get started with the video. The first trick is to copy paste the data into the particular chart. As you can see, I have created this beautiful chart from this particular data, and suppose we are adding new column here, which is our target, and our target value is $20. So now suppose I want to add this target value to our chart. For that, what we have to do is first we have to select our data and then simply select the chart and then paste it, Control V. Now you can see we are getting the bars for our target value also. The next trick is to make a copy using a control key. So suppose I want to make a copy of this particular data. So what we have to do is first we have to select complete data, hold the control key and get your mouse to the edges and simply just drag and drop. Now you can see our complete data is copied. Not only this thing, but if I want to create a copy of this particular tabs, so simply just hold the control key and just simply drag and drop. Now you can see we have created a new copy of sheet 1. The next trick is to do a copy paste using a clipboard. So normally what we do is like we copy the data and then the paste the data, right? So it works only for the one kind of data, but suppose we want to copy multiple data, so for that we have to use a clipboard functionality. To enable that one, we have to simply click on this tiny arrow to get it activated, and then we have to simply copy the data, and I will copy this one, salesperson, as well as the target. Now you can see in the clipboard history I am getting all these value whatever I have copied. To use this one, again we'll click anywhere and then simply just click on this particular data, and now you will get all the value as pasted as value. The next trick is multiplication copy. So suppose I want to calculate the 10% for this particular waste pay, so we can use a formula here. We all aware about that formula. Instead of using the formula, what we can do is first we have to select here and then press or hold the control key and then simply just drag and drop here. Then copy your 10% and then select the complete data again, right click here and then click on paste special, and here we have to select the multiply and then click on OK. Now you can see it turned to the percentage. Now we can change it to the journal. Now we can see here for $12 the 10% is 1.2. so this is one of the quickest way to do the calculation. The next trick is to replicate the chart formatting. As you can see, we have a two chart here. One chart is already formatted in a very good way and the second one is not formatted in the correct way. If I want to use this formatting for this particular chart, for that what we have to do is first we have to select this one and then press Ctrl C and then go to the second chart and then press Alt ES, and then you will see here paste special dialog box, and here we have to click on the format and then click on OK. Now you can see our second chart is also turned into the first one chart file formatting. The next trick is to transpose the formula. As you can see, I have applied some formula here, and if I want to transpose this particular formula, so first what we have to do is we have to copy this data and then right click here and then transpose. Now you can see here we are getting this particular error. To resolve this error, what we have to do is first we have to copy this complete data and click anywhere and right click and then click on then paste as a link. Then here you can see the formula is automatically applied, right? So simply select this complete data, press Ctrl H and just find what equal to. We have to replace this with a hash equal to. You can replace any with any other alphabet also. So replace all and then simply just copy this data again and then right click here and then transpose. Now again press Ctrl H and then hash equal to replace with the equal to and replace all. Now you can see we are getting the same formula here also. So these are some cool and tricks to use a copy and paste in Excel. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Exceldose. Thank you so much for watching.